Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to enable lift wrist to wake on the AMAZFIT Balance 3. Raise to wake or lift wrist to wake is a feature that lets you lift your wrist like that to wake the display and start using it. You can see now it's in always on display mode, but if I had that disabled I could just lift my wrist and I could see the screen. Now you can enable it into different methods, either on the phone or directly on the watch. On the phone you would need to go to device settings and then go to display and brightness. Now you can find lift wrist to view info and you can set it to enabled, like click on enabled and then set it to off, scheduled, all day or smart. Smart will automatically adjust the time. If you set it to scheduled, for example, you will be able to set the start time and end time. Then you can change the response time. And that is the thing. Now on the watch directly, you could also do basically the same thing by going to the going to the menu from the top. So slide down from the top, slide down again, go to the settings, and then you can go to display. Then you can go to wake on the wrist raise, and then you can change the response speed and the enable status, and you can also schedule it, set it to all day or off. I'll set it on all day, and now whenever I just want to, I can wake it by lifting my wrist. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.